this year was like a very challenging year after the COVID-19 pandemic, and because of this, the slogan of the conference is different. We have a slogan of challenging the impossible. We have two impossible, the COVID-19 and the cancer. And actually, we have inspired these all challenges. We succeeded in the conference in hybrid format, going for like interaction between the faculty, the speakers, chairmans, and with the audience from all over the world. And despite these difficulties, we have more reach with this digital transformation, reaching to more than 60 countries all over the globe. And we have about 7,000 registration and more than 28,000 login during the conference in different specialties. And this is very helpful, and I think we will go for maintaining this virtual platform later, even after this conference, in the face-to-face conferences later, inshallah. We discussed a lot of issues in the conference. First, we have a very good keynote lecture with Professor Tasuko Honjo, the Nobel Prize winner, and it was about the future perspective in immunotherapy. And there is a lot of crosstalks between the microbiome and the immunotherapy, how the effect of the age and what are the future plans to decrease the resistance to the immunotherapy. And then going to important part that we have a consensus about the luminal breast cancer. I have a lot of talks about this and how to go for creating an algorithm of treatment of luminal breast cancer, and also on the triple negative breast cancer and escalation and de-escalation of the treatment in advanced setting of the triple negative breast cancer. So a lot of important issues and a lot of challenges that we succeeded in achieving some solutions in. And we have a lot of also talks about the vaccination for COVID-19 and its relation to the cancer patients, and what are the type of vaccine that we will go for, what type of patient that we can give the vaccine, and what type of vaccine that we can permit our patient to have. And these are very important subjects that are very hot in these days. We hope all that we meet in person again, all of us, and I think it is important now to go for the same digital transformation and try to reach more. And we learned a lot from this COVID pandemic, that we can reach more by the virtual activity. I think it will be the results of the vaccination process in our cancer patients in all over the world, that we can go for collecting the data and going for the outcome of the vaccination of these patients. And I think also it will be an important to have the success story of all the global effort for this pandemic, and also the global effort for cancer fighting.